Companies have endless data, statistics, finance, logistic, but when we need to ask questions like what happens if we raise prices, what's going on, it takes weeks to get answer. That's why we built InsightGrid AI. It's like a digital brain that can predict, analyze, and talk back to us in plain English. Uh, Imagine you are a CEO. In one glance, this is our dashboard. You see the total revenue, orders, revenue trends, fuel volume distribution, and and each and every stuff that is deployed right now and performing in the region. We are using S3 to transform the raw CSV data. We are using Athena to display the data that is being fetched. We are using the Bedrock in a chatbot. We are using Glue for metadata catalog, and we are using Lambda function to fetch the dashboard data. So here's the dashboard, and here is our chat with the data function. We are not just sending user questions straight to the language model. That would be guesswork, right? Instead, we built an intelligent query agent that actually understands what the user is asking. So here I've asked which department has the highest total spending across all the transactions, and as you can see, it gives the exact answers and exact numbers. Here's our AI chat. Let me paste a question like show me the parameters involved in sales data, and it will take a couple of seconds and answer the questions. It is basically using a semantic RAG based model. Here's the workflow. It's like a RAG, but way smarter. Instead of just retrieving text, it actually understands which data source to query. We have three data sources: sales, finance, and logistics. So once the user inputs the data, it goes to the router, and our router decides which data source to use. The router dynamically decides where to pull the data from. The AI model processes everything together, and the output is an intelligent insight stream rather than raw retrieval. So think of it as a self-directing analytical co-pilot that automatically connects queries and reasons across multiple structured database. Not just a RAG, but a fully autonomous data reasoning layer. Yeah. As you can see here, I've asked to show the parameters involved in sales data, and it's giving exactly that. It's not just analytics, it's decision intelligence. Let me take you through simulations. So here, if you want to see, let's say what would happen tomorrow if the fuel price increased by 15%, and we will run this simulation. So it will instead of giving spreadsheets and answers like that, it will create a ripple effect, and it will give me the total cost increase, the total impact, monthly costs, and stuff like that. And it will also provide a few recommendations like what the data or what decisions can be used. Let's walk you through analysis. It's a very interactive dashboard, and it's giving like revenue growth, order value, order volume, and stuff like that. At the end of every session, it's also summarizing 4 actionable insights: what to fix, what to grow, what to watch, and what's it worth in dollars, of course. It is completely built on AWS tools. It's if and you can change the data time as well. So like from days, week, months, and years. And as you can see, it's all real time data. We built inside Grid AI to help people make smarter and faster decisions. With AWS powering the backend, our focus was on letting anyone from a finance lead to a warehouse manager simply ask what's next, and it gives solution in a couple of minutes, which would rather take weeks. So it's not just a chatbot; it's a data reasoning agent. It combines analytical logic with language understanding. That's the kind of intelligence we wanted to deliver. Thank you so much.